I manifested $700 using this. And nope, it's not real money. This is fake money. So welcome back to my channel. It's Kedisar, and today I'm gonna tell you guys about a time where I manifested $700. So this was last November in college. I'm still in college, but I was in college then as well, and I was broke. You know that broke college student struggle, and if you don't, it's real. It's very real. If you're in college now, you know what I'm talking about. If you graduated, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about too. But your girl, I probably had like, I don't know, $50, $20, I don't know, something rough. It was rough. So I'm like, I need some money. Winter break is rolling around. I don't have a job secure, so I'm like, I don't know what to do. But I didn't have a negative mindset about it or perspective. I was very hopeful. I didn't let, the fact that I didn't have any job get me down and make me feel pessimistic about the situation, because deep down inside, I knew something would work out for me. So one day, one of my friends had this money gun. She was using it for one time only. So when she sprayed the money in the air, that was it. So all these fake $100 bills were on the ground. And then I'm like, I had heard something about using fake money to manifest. So I was like, nobody wants this and it's just on the ground. So I picked up 700 fake dollar bills, or fake hundreds, 7 fake hundreds, there you go. So these are clearly very fake. You can see the pink text on it. You can see the slashes. So yeah, very fake money. But if you look quick, it looks very real, because it has the Benjamin, it has the the little blue streak. So I'm like, I'm about to use this money, I'm about to manifest, and that's exactly what I did. So right now I only have 5 of these, so 500 fake dollars. But at the time, I'm pretty sure I had 700. I know I lost like 2 or 3. So yeah, I had around 700 of these dollars. So I get to my dorm room and I got to working. So when using fake money, the key component is visualization. So when I was, at my desk every day or every other day even, I would leave it there at my desk. So then when I came to my desk, I would see it. So basically whenever I saw it, or most times when I would see it, I would just pick it up, look at it, visualize as if it were actually real. And when you're doing this, you gotta act like it's actually real too, not like, oh, I'm holding some fake money. You gotta act like it's real, flip through it like you would real money, like you're feeling yourself. I was feeling myself like I had a couple bands, that's how I made myself feel. And that there is the most important thing you can do, is actually feel the feelings you would feel if all of it was real. So that's feelings, for me, that's feelings of joy, contentness, and just feeling like, I'm financially free and I'm taken care of. Like that financial burden that I had was lifted, it was released, and like I'm just good. No more worries, and no more feeling like I gotta keep looking and searching, looking for, a way to find some money, looking for a gig. None of that. It's just a feeling of contentness and like I'm good. So I would do this every so often. I did this around the middle or beginning, the middle of November. It was the middle of November. So I would just, look at it every so often. Then when I put it down, I forgot about it. So I just released it. There was no dwelling over it and just like, oh, is my manifestation working? It was just when I'm at my desk and I see it, I smile, I look at it. I kind of, if it's hard for you, kind of just cover up the little fake part and just look at it as if it were real. Just like, dang, like feelings of feeling blessed, feeling grateful, thankful. Gratitude, very important. So just like, dang, thank you so much. You know, I got this money. Like, I just feel so good. Then I would just put it to the side, forget about it. So that was in the middle of November. Then I went home for winter break in the very beginning of December. Mind you, I hadn't searched for any job at all. I hadn't hit anybody up. I didn't seek anything. Then out of nowhere, I get a text from this lady I used to babysit from before I went to college. And basically she had openings for me for like the whole month of December, and I think some in January too. So I'm over there all the time, and mind you, she has 3 children. So that's some good money. You feel me? Some good money. Working, you know, several hours throughout the week. It's a good rate, and I'm just stacking it up. So that gave me several $100s alone. And then randomly, I get cashed at $200 from a family friend. And I'm like, what? And I think it was a late birthday present. There was no note attached to it. I think it was a late birthday present. My birthday's in October, but hey, it came at that time. It could have been one of those things where it just never came, but it did, and it came at that time. So that was around $650, and then another $50 was given to me from my dad. So that combined equaled $700, which was the amount of fake $100 I had. So there you have it. So yeah, like I said, I did not seek or ask for any of these things. It just came to me. It was handed to me because I used the power of visualization, actually feeling the feelings and just releasing it, not dwelling on it, not stressing over it, just knowing. When you know it's taken care of, it'll definitely be taken care of. But if you're like thinking like, oh, how is this gonna happen? Like, I don't got the means to do this or that, I don't got the plans, I don't know what to do. If you're thinking too much about the how, it's not really gonna work out for you. So yeah, that's how I manifested $700 in college. It was great. And if let me, if you're in college or you ever were, you know how much $700 is. Even $50 is a great gift to get in college, but $700 to come to second semester with, to spring semester, I got my $700, I'm good. Like, do you realize how big that was? Some of y'all may think, oh, $700, no, $700, it was huge for me, and I was so grateful and thankful and happy that this money manifestation worked out for me. So that's just a quick little thing on manifestation. Sometimes visualizing can be kind of hard for people, so when you have the actual tangible thing that you can touch and feel and grab, that can make it a lot easier. So I really hope you enjoyed this video on my manifestation testimony. If you have one, then comment it down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, and also comment down below and leave this video a big like if you liked it, and subscribe, join the family. And until next time, peace and love.